my fireflies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I styled this hair and also how I installed the hair and the makeup look. So essentially this was my orange wig in the Ghost Bone review. However, I decided to go in with a bit of red dye to make it more vibrant. Then I conditioned it, and then I have installed it, and I absolutely love this color. Then of course I fixed the lace area. I'll show you how I fixed the frontal area to have no baby hairs. As you can see, I plucked the frontal and I then went in with the scissors and cut out the excess lace. I'm really feeling the no baby hair look. And of course baby hairs would have been a bit much with this crimped hairstyle. I also crimped my hair. As Arrogant Tae said, it's crimp season, and oh my god guys, I love crimps. It's like having curly hair in any color you want. It's amazing. So if you're interested in knowing where you can get the crimp, just reach out to me in the comments section and I'll be able to help you out, or reach out to me on Instagram at the real Mora Firefly. Sorry, at Mora Firefly official. Yes, and then I can of course let you guys know. I'll leave my Instagram details either at the beginning or at the end of the video. And yeah, I also would like to give a lot of thanks to you guys this week. I have gotten so much traction on my YouTube channel. I've had so many views on my YouTube channel. I'm finally at 1,000+ views, and they keep growing every single day, and I appreciate you guys. Every single new subscriber, I love you and I appreciate you, and I promise to give you more content more frequently. I am really trying to build this brand, and I would love to build it with you guys because you guys are my support system. So yeah, you guys watch the video. If you have any questions on how to style your hair like this or how to dye your hair, if you want to know how I get these awesome colors, just reach out to me and I will let you guys know how to do it. So yeah, watch the video and enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Or also like, share, subscribe, comment, and of course I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, so bye.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stole my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away.
So guys, what I'm doing here is preparing a new hairline. I am actually going to section off the very front part of the lace where the baby hairs were sitting, and I'm going to start plucking from the back of that new hairline that I've created. Then after I am done, I'm going to cut off the excess lace where the baby hairs were sitting so that I can create this new hairline. And it's not very easy to explain, but you will see it as I go.
Begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way. Falling, yes, I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling, but you can take it all away. 'Cause I am yours forever.
So guys, that's how much I plucked of the lace, and I created the new hairline. When I'm going to cut out the front part of the lace that I don't need anymore, and this is a trick you guys can use when your frontals get old. Just because they shed doesn't mean you have to go and buy a new frontal. You can get the maximum use out of that frontal by renewing it every now and then, cutting out the extremely exposed parts and the holes in the lace, and that way you come up with a whole new wig.
If only you could see me now.
So guys, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the hair. I'm going to use my steam flat iron. I'm going to section off the hair into a few sections. For crimping hair, you need to ensure that the hair is super straight. That's why I took so long combing out the hair, ensuring there are no kinks and knots in the hair. And then now I'm going to flat iron. I'm not going to do a very straight look, but I'm going to ensure the hair is straight enough for me to be able to crimp and get the perfect crimp. Crimping hair cannot be done on curly hair or on hair with a different curl pattern. It has to be straight.
Don't tell anybody now. That I'm feeling so miserable.
So I'm using the heat protectant from Moroccan Argan Oil. The name is 11-in-1 hair treatment miracle leave-in conditioning spray. Anytime you apply heat to your hair, even your natural hair, ensure that you use heat protectant to reduce any heat damage or prevent it altogether.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time.
Now that the hair is straightened, I'm going to use the Marula Oil Hair Serum. It really gives back shine to the hair and makes it soft, and it has a really nice smell, so it can work as a hair perfume.
Thinking about us.
So now I'm sectioning off the hair to prepare it to crimp. You have to section into thin layers so that the crimps may be long lasting, but if you want loose waves in the hair, then you can crimp bigger sections.
You're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with?
So guys, what you're seeing there is another heat protectant by Marula Oil. I like this one because it's lighter in texture and very easy to spray onto the hair. Then next, I'm going to use a setting spray similar to the Got to Be Glued Frizz Blast spray. The company name is Jurong. It's nearly as good as the Got to Be Glued spray for holding in the curls into the hair, and I really like this product and I also recommend it. The crimping iron I'm going to use is the Kemei crimping iron. It has two heat settings in 210 and 170. I'm going to set it to 210. The crimping iron gets hot really fast. Within 30 seconds it's already hot, and it's very easy to use. Of course, you have to wear a heat protectant glove, like you'll see me wearing one to protect your nails because you don't want them to burn and you don't want to burn your fingers. When you're using hot tools, ensure that you have all the relevant protective gear, unless you are experienced in styling hair like me, and sometimes I still manage to get myself burned. So yeah, so this is how to crimp. I'm going to try to explain it in a very easy way. We have 3 barrels on my crimp, so we're going to name the topmost barrel as 1, the middle one is 2, and the final one is 3. So once you place the crimp at the top of the hair, you're going to hold it there for 15 seconds, then release the crimp, then where crimping barrel number 3 lies, place crimping barrel number 1 to continue in a continuous motion going down. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Just watch the video and see what I do. Once you get the hang of it, it's going to be really easy. Ensure to crimp to the bottom of the hair so that the crimps can be even and very neat.
Just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy.
So guys, it's a very repetitive motion, so you crimp the hair by first spraying the heat protectant, then repeating the same process over and over again. Of course, don't forget to spray the setting spray so that the crimp can last, because you don't want to be crimping your hair every now and then. It's a lot of work, and crimping takes about an hour for a very dense wig. So as beautiful as crimps are, they do take a lot of work. Yeah, so make sure that you spray on your setting spray to ensure that they last, because you don't want to be doing it every time. So since it's repetitive, I'm going to now fast forward the video and you guys enjoy some music.
Just relax. And that's what my friends are telling me. I wish it was easy, but it's not easy. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind.
So guys, now that I'm almost done crimping the hair, I'm attempting a half up half down look. However, I changed my mind and I decided to just go with the middle part because I thought it would look much better.
You don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. Don't want you to know my love is lost. Well, there's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Yeah, don't call me back, just say goodbye. I can change the past, don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real? Was it real? There's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say goodbye. There's only one thing. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Yeah, I'll say goodbye. Don't call me back, just say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say goodbye.
So guys, now that I'm almost done with styling the hair, I'm going to go in with my Whirl hot comb and I'm going to use it to slick the edges. I'll go over with a wax stick from IKT, and yeah, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. What I'd like to do is have the top of the hair looking sleek and laid back. You will see the difference that the hot comb makes.
Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. I've been scrolling through the text messages you sent me, trying to fill the holes where you left me empty. And when I think about it, get a little emotional, knowing that we might never ever be close to loving. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Sober up, think it's time for me to sober up, 'cause I don't know what I should do with all these feelings. Don't wanna be needy, too in love. Maybe I am just too in love. Baby, all I know is I can't make you stay, but don't just walk away. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer.
I try to understand, I try to hold your hand, but I don't think I came through. how you understand.